Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to build out a simple weather application using the OpenWeatherMap API inside Python. We will just make a simple API request to this famous weather API. So the name of the API is OpenWeatherMap API. So it's a very famous API for getting the weather for any location. So for that you just need to create a very simple account here. You can create a free account. After that you can get your own API key. So I have already created one account here. So you will need to go to the my API key section, just grab your own API key. So just generate the API key, just give it a name. So it will create a API key for you, and then simply copy this. And I just created this Python script here. I've given the script in the description of the video. So basically we paste this API key and we are putting this location here, which is a city name. You can put any city in the world. So I put Lucknow here. And if I run this script here, you will see it will fail to retrieve data. You need to invalid API key. Let me just make sure that I paste the correct API key. So I just need to paste. So now you will see it will fetch the temperature of the location, the weather, clear sky, humidity 20%, wind speed 2.95 millisecond. So this is for Lucknow location. Let me change the location and put here Auckland. And once again run this, you will see temperature is 13.89 Celsius, weather overcast, humidity 69%. You can even cross check as well. Just put. So you can see it's roundabout correct. So I have given this script in the description of the video. Now let me show you step by step how to create this. So it's a very simple application. We simply make request to the OpenWeatherMap API. For that we simply require the request module, and here we specify your API key. Then we specify the actual city and the URL to which we will make the request. So here you will simply make the request to https API openweathermap.org/data/2.5/weather question mark, and then q is equal to, and here you will embed your dynamic city name, and then you also need to provide, and then you simply need to provide the app ID. So here you will specify your API key, and the units you will specify I want the weather data to be in metric. So this is the overall structure of the API. HTTP API OpenWeatherMap org data/2.5 weather, and this is a specify, and here you will change the city name, and then you will also put your go to the so go to your API key section and simply grab the API key and paste it. So after that you simply make the request to the API. So for making the request we simply say request dot get. We make the request, we get the data right here, we convert that data into JSON. After that we simply parse this data. So we simply compare that if the status double equal to 200, then it's a successful request, and then we simply grab the data. So if you try to basically print this data here which is coming, so we simply print out the data. So this will be a simple JSON response which will be coming if I run this Python script. So it is saying that on line number 10 there is some kind of problem here. This is status underscore underscore code. So we get this JSON data here. It has all the properties, longitude, latitude of the country. Then we have the weather, all such. So we just need to print the relevant properties here. The properties that we want is the temperature, weather, humidity, and wind speed. So we will get all these four things, just store it inside the respective variables, and then we print out one by one. So like this. So printing out the temperature, the actual weather, humidity, and wind speed. So if you just refresh now, you will see that we print out 12.7, weather is light rain, 88% wind speed. So in this easy way, you can actually query the OpenWeatherMap API inside Python to get the weather of any city in the world and then print out the weather in the terminals. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.